we're going to look at NIO here on the weekly chart. You can see that ever since we had that big pop in here in late August, we basically just been kind of climbing higher in here. And we actually breached and held this key $7 level in here. You can see that was a nice support for us going all the way back as far as a few years ago. Now, as far as where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart right now? Well, we're going to be trading in between kind of two key areas. That's going to be this 9-day EMA here and this 200 SMA. So it's not necessarily key levels that we need to watch. It's more kind of key areas, and these will obviously move depending on what the stock does. So the more we consolidate here, sitting right on the $7 level in here, where we're not getting any pops above 979 anytime soon. That's going to be this other white line here. Then we're going to kind of consolidate. And then this pink line and this blue line here, your 200 and your 9-day, are going to get closer and closer together. And then that's going to give us better points in here to kind of play off of and play breakouts and things like that. So it looks like we're going to be consolidating in between these 2 points. That's going to be relative. I mean, it's relative, but right now they're trading at $7 and that's 670 right here on the downside. And you're looking at 979 to around 987 on the upside. Obviously, if we get a bigger breakout in here or a nice squeeze and a pop, you're looking about 1238 for your upside resistance. Downside, you're looking down here right around 530. But that's kind of the area we're looking at in here. Now, in between these, let's say if we do kind of keep this expansion like we are right here, and we're trading outside this about 970s, things like that. We're trading down here in the sevens as far as our moving averages go. That is, then in between both of them, we're looking at nice psych levels, right? So we're looking at the $8, we're looking at that $9 level in here, and then kind of playing it accordingly depending on what the chart is dictating to us. But overall, nice 30-cent pop in here today. We're about 16, 15 cents off from that $8 handle. So let's see if we can breach it and hold by weeks in. If not, then we might get a pullback in here and have to bounce off that $7 level first before we get going anywhere else. You do have right around a quarter expected move priced in by this Friday, and about 50 cents priced in by the following Friday. That's going to be your October monthly expiration. So we'll see what happens in here. But overall, we're going to let the chart kind of come to us. We're going to see where these moving averages take us and then see if we can get a nice squeeze and expansion and then play it on either side in here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.